Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So it's pretty quick and easy. So firstly, what you have to do is just open your Facebook here and you will see this screen. I'm going to tap the menu icon at the bottom right and you can see under see more, I can tap that, and then there is this heart little dating icon where I can sign up for Facebook dating and use Facebook dating. But if it's not showing up for you in that area, there are a couple different things that you can do to get it working again. The very first thing that you can do is let's close the Facebook and open our settings, and then we will scroll down until we get to general and tap on general, and then we will tap on iPhone storage. Now once we are in here and this loads up, what we are going to do is find Facebook. There it is. We are going to offload the app and reinstall the app. So what this does is clears out any kind of bugs in the app itself. It refreshes to the latest version of Facebook and a lot of time just fixes any issues. So once this is done loading, then we can open it up and check to see if that Facebook dating icon is available again and if we can access Facebook dating. Now, if you still don't see that Facebook dating, it might be because of some limitations to who can access Facebook dating. And I'm going to open up Safari here and I've just typed in Facebook dating guidelines. And if you scroll down, you can see here Facebook dating, and I can click on that and I'm going to walk you through the guidelines are here. So it says who can use Facebook dating. Now there are few limitations here. It says you have to be 18 years old or older. So on your Facebook account, your birth date has to make you 18 or older. You have to have an account in good standing for the last 30 days, and you have to live in a country where dating is available. And then it shows you all of the countries where it's available. Scroll through that list here. You can see if your country is on this list. If it's not, then you just won't be able to use Facebook dating. It limits which countries can use that Facebook dating. And then the last thing that it tells you is that if you've deleted your Facebook dating profile, you can't make a new one for at least 7 days. So if you had a Facebook dating profile, you deleted, and you want to sign up again, you have to wait 1 week to be able to sign up again. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.